Okay, today we will take a SF₆ gas around 22% for the patient. Yes. So we will connect this 60cc syringe with the 2 filters to the cylinder. This is the cylinder and we have the main knob and the side knob over here. Open the main knob. And see the monitor, it's showing how much is air is coming out. See? Yes, now you can close it. Close first the side knob and the main knob. This way. Okay, now you can remove these 2 filters. 2, yes. Close this and put it the needle. Remove the cap and it is 22%, so we will take 11% SF₆. 11 cc of SF₆, it's 11, and then we will take the natural air until 50. So it's complete.